Meaning of explode.
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 Explode. Explode means to burst or shatter violently due to internal pressure. The result of an explosion can be devastating, causing destruction and chaos in its surroundings. Explosions are often accompanied by a loud sound and can generate heat, flames, shockwaves, and shrapnel that can pose serious risks to people and property. Explosions can occur naturally, such as volcanic eruptions or lightning strikes, or artificially, through the use of explosives or chemical reactions. In any case, the aftermath of an explosion can have far-reaching consequences for years to come.